Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, there were no Jamaicans named in the West Indies Test squad, which was announced on Monday to face Pakistan in a two-match series in January.
The West Indies will be looking to close out the two-year World Test Championship cycle on a winning note. They'll also try to ensure that head coach Andre Kohli's tenure ends on a positive one. At the end of the Pakistan series, Darren Sammy will take over the reins from Kohli. When the first match bowls off on January 17 in Multan, the Craig Brathwaite-led squad will have one new face. Amir Jangu, who scored a brilliant match-winning century on debut in the just concluded series against Bangladesh, earns his first Test call-up. Left-arm spinner Gudakesh Moti, who missed the Test series against Bangladesh, makes a return to the squad. The full squad reads Captain Craig Brathwaite, Joshua Da Silva, Alec Athanaze, Casey Carty, Justin Graves, Kavem Hodge, Tevin Imlak, Amir Jangu, Mickey Louis, Gudakesh Moti, Anderson Phillip, Kemar Roach, Kevin Sinclair, Jaden Seals, and Jamel Warkan. The team will be without leading fast bowler Alzari Joseph, who was unavailable due to other engagements. Shamar Joseph will also miss the tour as he continues his rehabilitation from a recently sustained injury. It will be the first time in 18 years that the West Indies will be playing a Test series in Pakistan. The last time both teams met was back in 2021, back in the Caribbean, when the two-match series was tied 1-1. The squad is expected to leave the Caribbean on January 2 and arrive in Islamabad on January 6. Garfield Jones for TVJ Sports.